Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Altima high beam bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical issues. Gather your tools, such as a screwdriver and a new bulb, before you begin. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm the correct bulb type for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To access the high beam bulb, you'll typically need to locate the headlight assembly, often found behind the front bumper or fender liner. Carefully remove any clips, screws, or bolts that secure the assembly in place. Once the assembly is loose, gently pull it forward enough to reach the back of the bulb. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it straight off. Now it's time for the replacement. Carefully twist the old high beam bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out of its housing. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the plastic base, align the tabs, and insert the new bulb into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle and test the new high beam bulb to ensure it functions correctly. Once confirmed, reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Carefully push the headlight assembly back into its original position, securing all clips, screws, or bolts you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is tight and properly aligned. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.